What's up YouTube? It's been a little bit. I haven't updated on the CJ because I sold the CJ. I decided that I did not want to deal with how rusty it was and possibly any other issues after I got the motor running. Sold it for a decent amount, not going to say on the internet, but used that money to buy this Comanche. It was two-wheel drive, 91 4-liter. Only problem is that motor you see behind it, where's the motor that was in it. And if you can see that freeze plug, there's a couple different things that was wrong with it, including a cracked head. And I was able to get a new-ish motor and four-wheel drive transmission, because this was two-wheel drive, and two-wheel drive and Jeep does not go together. And the new videos I'm going to be doing is basically following me doing the 4x4 swap. I'm starting it here with the engine almost in, just because everyone knows how to swap an engine. It's not going to be unique about this video, but I'm going to use some of the parts from this ZJ, transfer case, four-wheel drive shifter, front axle, and drop it under here. I'll be replacing the rear Dana 35 with a Chrysler 8 1/4. Probably going to re-gear it, custom drive shafts, a lift, bigger tires than this. But it's going to be a project, and I like projects. Catch you later. Okay, so I was able to get the motor back in. Only took a little bit of me trying to burn the whole Jeep down for it to finally fit. Currently I am waiting on a transmission mount to be delivered, if Amazon would hurry up. And then I should have everything in, start hooking stuff up, and hopefully it runs. Because this is an untested motor, hooked up to an untested transmission. It's going to be hooked up to an untested transfer case. So this could all be for nothing. Stick around to see if it runs. Okay, so every time that I seem to get ahead on this project, something goes wrong. What went wrong right now is my exhaust manifold did not fit. I had to email the company, they're going to give me a refund. But now I have to wait on Amazon again to deliver the new one. But I do have everything bolted on, engine mount's good. Got a transfer case in, transmission all mounted in. So that's probably it for this day. Might add a little bit more to this video, or this might be the end of it. If this is the end of it, go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to see me waste my time and money on another Jeep project. And probably lose a finger, because I almost dropped that transfer case on my hand. Yay! A quick little tip just to go along with this video is when you're doing a engine swap or taking off plugs and wires, make sure you label them. I think I've labeled each of these injector plugs and all my coils, because I took this apart like over a month ago, and if I hadn't labeled it, I definitely would not know where I'm doing right now. Other than that, this is definitely the end of the video. So come back next time and see what else I end up doing on this. Most likely going to be dropping a lot of money into drivetrain parts. Yay!